India has just made history in the world of horology. Meet the Titan Stellar 3.0, India's very first wandering hours timepiece. Crafted in crystallized titanium with a striking bronze bezel, this bold creation comes from Titan, a brand that's redefining what Indian watchmaking can achieve. Earlier this year, we visited Titan's manufacturing hub, and what we saw was astonishing. Massive production capacity, precision craftsmanship, and a vision to push India into the world's luxury watch conversation. To celebrate its 40th anniversary, Titan already unveiled the nation's first in-house tourbillon. Now they've gone further, with the Stellar 3.0 featuring a completely unique way to tell time. The Titan Stellar 3.0 draws inspiration from the cosmos, and it looks every bit like a watch from another world. Its 42mm case blends crystallized titanium and bronze, creating a stunning contrast between cool metallic texture and warm golden tones. The tonneau-shaped case has a futuristic sporty edge, with a sapphire crystal front and back, 50 meters of water resistance, and a black crown guarded for protection. It's bold, it's intricate, and unmistakably modern, a statement piece for anyone who appreciates innovation in form. The star of the show is the Wandering Hours display, a rare and mesmerizing way to tell time. Instead of traditional hands, two rotating satellites glide along a curved minute track between 9 and 3 o'clock. Each disc displays the hour as it orbits, while the central carousel completes a rotation every 2 hours. Result? A hypnotic dance of motion, elegant, fluid, and totally unconventional. Inside, the Stellar 3.0 runs on Titan's own INH7 AWD2 automatic movement made right in India. It offers a 40-hour power reserve, solid accuracy, and a custom rotor featuring a golden moon, a fitting nod to its celestial theme. Limited to just 500 pieces, the Stellar 3.0 Wandering Hours retails for around 179,995 rupees, roughly 1,760 euros or $2,050. For India, this is more than a watch, it's a milestone. Titan has proven once again that true innovation isn't bound by geography. If you enjoyed this look into India's rising watchmaking scene, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more global watch stories.